global media culture. So, ang global media culture is a worldwide exchange of information, ideas, entertainment of different cultures pinaagi sa media. So, ang media pwede siya traditional like newspaper, radio, television, magazine. Pwede po siya digital like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, o website, o uban pa digital media. So, every day, most of us use our phones or internet to scroll through social media. While scrolling in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or magtanog mga YouTube videos, o mag-chat-chat sa Messenger, pero kabantay mo nga, dili lang content sa Pilipinas akong makita. Dagan tayo makita nga mga music, videos, news, or trends nga gikan sa different countries. For example, dagan sa ato mutan og mga Korean drama, pamati og mga K-pop song, or magtanog mga anime nga gikan sa Japan. Makakita og mga videos nga gikan sa America, Thailand, or sa ubang mga country. Pero bisag wala ta kaadto sa ilahang like ilang lugar or makatungtungan nga country kay makabalog gyapon taon sa ilang culture, sa ilang food, sa ilang language, or even sa ilahang lifestyle tungod sa media. Another example is kanang mga TikTok dance trend or challenges. Daghan na kayo ang mga trend nga dali na kayo mukalat. Within a few days, daghan ta makita nga mga tao nga gikan sa Pilipinas, Korea, sa Thailand, sa America, or sa uban pa nga country nga parehas ng mga trend nga ginabuhat. So mao ang global media cultures. Media connects people around the world. Daghan na kayo tayo makatunan nga mga information or makailang nga mga cultures. Pinaagi lang sa atong mga cellphone or internet. Murag gamay na lang kayo atong kalibutan tungod kay connected na kayo ang mga tao. So, global media culture is important because it helps us communicate, learn, and understand different cultures, and stay updated every day. So, all of these types of media help us communicate, learn new things, share ideas, and connect with people from different parts of the world. Mao ni sila ang mga importanteng types of global media cultures. Let's talk about the different types of media. First is the television. Hangtod karon daghan gyapon mo tan-aw og television for news, sports, movies, entertainment. Kay isa gihapon ni siya sa trusted source of information. Ikaduha is the radio. Bisag uso na ang mga smartphones karon, useful gihapon ang radio para sa mga weather updates, sa news reports o music, labi na og nagbiyahe mo. Third is the newspaper and magazine. Bisag dili na ni sila pareha ka popular sa una is gamit gihapon ni sila tungod kay maghatag gihapon ni sila mga detailed or reliable nga mga information. Karon makita na po ni sila through online. Sunod is the website. So, like the student like us, mag-use of websites every day para mag-research or mag-search ng mga information kung makakataon og bago nga mga lesson. Next is the social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, o Threads, o uban pa. Mao ni ang pinakagamit karon, gamit kayo nato ni sila samot na pag mag-chat or mag-send og mga photos or videos or makita og mga latest news or trends. Last is the mobile communication apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram. Kining app help us send message, make calls or video calls. Bisan layo ang atong storya.
Evolution of media. Media evolved from print and broadcast technologies to internet-based platforms that provide instant communication and worldwide information sharing. So, the evolution of media show how communication changed from print and broadcast media to internet-based platform. Before, people depended on newspaper, radio, and television, but today we use the internet and social media to communicate instantly and share information worldwide. This has made communication faster and more convenient, but we must use social media responsibly by avoiding fake news and spending only current information. Global media culture is interactive, accessible, digital, fast, interconnected, and influential. People can communicate instantly, access information anytime, and connect with others around the world through modern technology. These characteristics make it easier to share knowledge, ideas, and experience globally while keeping people information informed.
Cultural exchange. Media introduces people to different traditions, languages, beliefs, customs, and lifestyle while promoting diversity, respect, and a cross-cultural understanding. It is a media act like a bridge between countries and cultures. Through news, shows, music, and posts, we get to think how other people live, what they believe, and what their traditions are. This helps us appreciate our differences instead of fearing or judging them, making us more respectful and understanding toward one another. Social media. Social media allows instant communication, content sharing, collaboration, opinion expression, and relationship building across different countries and cultures. Social media remove distance. We can talk, share ideas, work together, or make friends with people anywhere in the world right away. It gives everyone a voice to express their thoughts and helps connect people across borders easily. Education. Global media supports education through online classes, digital libraries, educational videos, virtual learning, and easy access to research resources. It is a media make learning open to everyone, everywhere. We can take online lessons, read books from digital libraries, watch educational videos, and find information for school instantly. No matter where we are, it brings the classroom and the world's knowledge right to us. So the main point is, global media connects us, help us understand one another, makes learning easier and more accessible, bringing the whole world closer together.
Una, to isgutan ay business about sa global media culture because importante kayo ang global media sa mga negosyo because it helps them advertise or promote their products to more people. Sa una, ang mga negosyo magsalig ra sa TV, radio, or flyers para makaila ang mga customers sa ilang products. Pero karon, pinagi sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, o website, mas madali na kayo nila ma-reach ang dagang customers. Bisan na pa sila sa lain mga city or country. For example, kung natay small business nga mag-post og product sa Facebook or TikTok, og daghan na makita og ma-share, mas daghan po ang mahimong customers nato. Og dali po sila makik-communicate pinaagi sa comments or message or because of global media. Businesses can build their brand, promote their products, improve communication with customers, and increase their sales. Ikaduha, entertainment about Japan sa global media culture. Global media give us many ways to enjoy and relax during our free time. Pwede tamutan og movies like TV, series sa Netflix, video sa YouTube, music sa Spotify, or magduwa og online games with people from different countries. Dili lang ka entertainment ang ato makuha through global media, makaila pud ta og bagong songs, movie, o cultures gikan sa ubang nasod. For example, dagan sa ato ang ganahan mo tan-aw K-dramas, anime or international movies because dali ra kayo sila maka-access online kung mga words sa ilang language o makita sa ilang traditions. So global media is not only for entertainment, it also helps us discover different cultures, learn new things, and connect with people around the world through the content that we watch and enjoy.
Negative effect of global media. Global media means the internet, social media, television, news, YouTube, and other platforms that people around the world use to share information. Even though global media has many benefits, it also has some negative effects. First, fake news and misinformation. Sometimes people post or share false information online. If we believe it without checking it is true, it can be confuse people and spread wrong idea. That is why we should always check reliable source before sharing news. Second, cyberbullying. Cyberbullying happens when someone is bullied or insulted online through social media, message, or comment. This can hurt a person feeling and affect their mental health. Third, privacy risk. Many people share personal information online such as their photo, address, or phone number. If we are not careful, other people may misuse our personal information. Fourth, internet addiction. Some people spend too much time on their phones or social media. This can affect their study, sleep, health, and relationship with family and friends. Last, losing appreciation for local culture. Because we often watching foreigner movie, music, and trends, some people forget to appreciate their own culture, tradition, language, and customs. We should enjoy global media while still being proud of our own culture. Global media is helpful, but we should use it wisely. We must think before we share information, respect others online, protect our privacy, manage our screen time, and continue to value our own culture. Effect of global media. Global media includes the internet, social media, television, radio, newspaper, and other platforms that connect people around the world. Global media has many positive effects on our daily lives. First, improve communication. Because of global media, we can easily communicate with our family and friends even if they are far away. For example, we can use Messenger, Facebook, or WhatsApp to send message or make a video call. Second, expand knowledge. We can learn many new things by watching educational video, reading newspaper, reading news, or search on the internet. It helps students learn more outside the classroom. Third, support education. Students that teacher can use online learning, educational website, digital books to make learning easier and more interesting. Fourth, promote innovation. Global media allow people to connect, share new idea, invention, and technology. This help improve business, school, even our daily lives. Fifth, create opportunities. Many people can find jobs, start online business, becoming content creator, or easy money using social media and internet. Last is raises awareness about global concerns. Global media help people learn about important issues like climate change, natural disaster, health, and world events. This encourage people to help and work together. Thank you.
Challenges include information overload, online scams, hate speech, privacy concerns, digital inequality, and misuse of social media platforms. Information overload. means tungod sa kadaghan na nagayos og social media, daghan na pud tayo makuha nga information nga wala nakabalo unsay tinuod nga ug unsay angay tuuhan. Ang kaning online scams naay uban gigamit na ang social media para mang-scam. Mao na ilahang gihimo nga panginabuhi aron makakwarta. Gamiton ang pangalan sa lahi-lahi nga tao para mangutang o makakuha og information sa isa ka tawo o uban pa nga mga mundo sa internet. Kaning hate speech, gamiton ang social media para makapaulaw sa tao mag-comment og mga butang nga wala gyud-una kung unsa ang feeling sa ilang giingnan. I-discriminate ang isa ka tao tungod sa ilang political views, relihiyon, gender or unsa pa ilang mabantayan nga dili sila ganahan ilahang dayon ipamaagi sa hate speech. Ang kaning privacy concerns, pag-post sa social media about sa mga personal informations. Example is pag-story nimo sa sakyanan or motor nga wala natabunan ang plate number, phone numbers, bank details or unsa pa mga information na pwede malik without proper authorization. Ang kaning digital inequality, dili patas na pag-access sa internet, gadgets and other technologies. Siyempre sa atoa natay full access ana tanan. Pero how about sa countryside? Sa mga bukid, dili sila fully updated sa technology o dili sila tanan dito makagamit og gadgets. One of the main reason is wala internet, walay signal ug lisod sila og implement og mga online class. Ug sa uban pa nga dili saktong paggamit sa ilahang mga social media platforms nga mahimong challenges sa global media culture. Responsible media use. Responsible media use involves verifying information, respecting others, protecting privacy, avoiding harmful content, and practicing ethical online behavior. Kaning verifying information, so since na may information overload, responsible jud ta mag fact checking, i-verify ang source sa information ay discern nimo tuuhan, double check everything, discern is spread ang information. Ang kaning respecting others, i-respect ang mga tao online. Ayaw gamitas ang social media para magpapaulaw og tao. Fix it privately. Don't spread hate. Don't discriminate. And don't be the reason of someone's downfall and anxiety. Protect privacy. As much as possible, ayaw i-post online nimo ang personal details or details sa uban. If naman kay istorya or i-post sa social media nga maapil ang mga personal information, take time og edit para blur na. Avoid harmful content. Ayaw pag-post og mga disturbing nga mga content nga makakos og trauma sa uban, especially daghan ng mga bata nagayos og social media. Practical, ethical online behavior. Use internet in a responsible way. Use copyright if you don't own the content or video. Show kindness, ug most importantly, think before you click.
Media literacy. Media literacy helps people evaluate information critically and recognize misinformation. Into this digital age, we are constantly flooded with news, social media posts, online articles. Being media literate means having the skills to analyze what we'll read or watch before believing or sharing it. It helps us to spot fake news, avoid scam content, and ensure that the information we consume and pass on is accurate and reliable. A future of global media. Future of global media like mga intelligence, virtual reality, faster internet, and advanced technology will continue transforming communication, education, business, and entertainment globally. As technology continues to evolve with tools like AI, virtual reality, and high-speed internet, the way we connect with the world is changing rapidly. Those innovations are just changing social medias. They are reshaping how we learn in school, how global business operates, and how entertainment is created and consumed worldwide. The future of media will make global communication faster, more immersive, and more interconnected than ever before. Conclusion plays a crucial role for bringing people together across the globe. It allows us to exchange ideas, learn about different culture, and stay informed about worldwide issues. However, with great connectivity comes great responsibility. By using media wisely and critically, we can enjoy its immense benefits while protecting ourselves from risks like misinformation, privacy breaches,